Welcome to Lira Clinical's education video series. It's your year to be clear with Lira Clinical's new Iceline debut. Let's look at the innovative ingredients, refreshed retail design, and refined results your clients will achieve clarified, beautiful skin. Lira Clinical is redefining skin clarity with the new face of acne. As daily lifestyles change, our skin reacts differently to its environment. Acne is no longer a teenage problem, with all ages combating blemishes. The 2017 Iceline reduces breakouts caused by stress while brightening skin from toxic, polluted, and uncontrollable environments. The Iceline is a topical weapon combating blemishes while nourishing and repairing healthy skin. Skin clarity begins with a successful ingredient team. So let's see some of Lira's Iceline star players. Environmentally stressed, combination, oily, and acne skin can experience the occasional to daily blemish and breakout. Lira Clinical's Iceline reimagined what successful acne management is. A state-of-the-art healing peptide delivery system optimizes proven active ingredients such as salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide into the skin without irritation or inflammation. Skin is renewed with topical probiotics, balancing and restoring skin's healthy barrier function. Skin's clarity is replenished while refining pore appearance. Marine extracts are combined with botanicals, strengthening the skin's cellular matrix for healthy cell retention and proliferation. New Brightening Bio-Actives are throughout the Iceline for healthy, brighter, youthful-looking skin. Peptides have been used to tighten and brighten skin in skincare. Lira Clinical's healing peptide delivery system specializes in retaining the skin's integrity. Skin is beautifully balanced, delivering proven active agents into the skin without irritation or inflammation. Blemishes and breakouts are not the only skin condition addressed with the redesigned Iceline. Products stimulate healthy cell proliferation, benefiting aging clientele as well as rosacea, with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties all in one. The American Academy of Dermatology's new beauty breakthrough is balancing topical probiotics. Rejuvenating skin's immune system, this ingredient enhances antibacterial properties while decreasing skin sensitivity. Beneficial for all skin types, topical probiotics significantly reduce redness and inflammation while increasing skin's youthful appearance. Absorbing 1,000 times its weight in impurities, charcoal powder naturally detoxifies skin, reduces future breakouts, eliminates P. acnes with an easy-to-remove mask. The silky formulation balances skin hydration for a healthy, matte finish. New Brightening Bio-Actives even skin tone through inhibiting melanogenesis production. Both oily, acne, and rosacea benefit from antifungal properties, preventing candida. Nourishing and repairing isoflavonoids are potent anti-inflammatories, protecting skin from toxic environments. And Lira Clinical's exclusive Mastech is throughout the Iceline products, benefiting acne, rosacea, and aging clientele. Mastech refines pore appearance, brightens skin while reducing redness and inflammation. Mastech is beneficial in preventing pigmentation post-extraction. Extraordinary marine extracts have been incorporated into each Iceline product for additional antibacterial benefits. Healthy, clarified skin is restored through rich, beneficial polyphenols. Natural sun protection soothes skin while combating free radical invasion, and skin tightening properties benefit all ages for fine line prevention. Lira Clinical has a broad range of facials and treatments essential for acne management. Treatments can be performed for clients with the occasional breakout to inflammatory cystic acne. You can download your copies today off of the Lira Clinical issue site. Real results can be seen with daily ice home care programs combined with in-salon treatments. So skin is clearly beautiful with the Ice Line's innovative ingredients, refined results, and refreshed retail. Reimagine your skin to be clear this year. Thank you for joining us today. To place an order, please contact corporate customer service at 877-440-5472 or info@liraclinical.com. Thank you for choosing Lira Clinical, redefining aesthetics in 2017.